we have to remove symbols of grouping and simplify. We have here parentheses and we have brackets. So first we have to do our operations which we can do in the parentheses. Because we have different terms, 2t, negative 1, 3t, 2, 3t, 4, t minus 1. So we cannot do anything in parentheses. So next step we have to do multiplication. We have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis and the same in the second brackets. Whereas we have to rewrite. So we have to open brackets, we have 3t squared and we have positive sign before these two parentheses. Now we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis because we have positive sign, so we don't have to write parentheses now. And like I said, we have to do multiplication. 2t times this whole expression in parentheses. And next we have negative 1 times whole expression in the second parenthesis. Close brackets. Now we have to open brackets and we have 4t squared we have to copy, and now because we have here negative sign, it means we have to change the sign of the expression which we got from the multiplication here, because we have to multiply first these two parentheses. So first I will copy this negative sign and I will open again parentheses. So now we have to multiply first 3t times this whole expression in the second parenthesis. And now we have positive 4 times t minus 1. Close parenthesis, close brackets. This is equal. We will copy 3t squared plus, and now we have to multiply every expression in the parenthesis by 2t. We have positive sign, so the sign in parentheses stay the same. So 2t we have times 3t. Next we have 2t times 2. I'm gonna write in parentheses 3t and 2 minus, and now because we have negative sign before parentheses, so we have to change the sign every time inside parentheses. And because we have 1 only before parentheses, when we multiply it doesn't change by 1, it doesn't change anything. So we have to just rewrite whatever we have in parentheses and change the sign. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So now it will be negative 3t and negative 2. Close brackets. Open brackets, 4t we have to copy, 4t squared, and now we have to do multiplication. We have to distribute first 3t to the parentheses, negative sign we copy, open parentheses, so we have 3t times t, and now we have 3 times negative 1, so positive times negative will be negative, and 3t times 1 is 3t. And now we have to distribute 4 to the parentheses. So 4 times t, positive and positive, so positive 4t, positive and negative, so will be negative. 4 times 1 is 4. Close parentheses, close brackets. This is equal. And in the first brackets, we have to copy 3t squared. And now we have to do first multiplication. We have 2 times 3 is 6, t times t is t squared. When we have the same variable, we copy variable and we add exponents. 1 plus 1 is 2. So t times t is t squared. Plus, and we have 2 times 2 is 4, and t we have to copy. And now we have negative 3t, negative 2. Close brackets, open brackets. Have to copy 4t squared. And first we will do whatever we can do in the parentheses. So we copy negative sign. 3t times t, so 3 you have to copy, t times t is t squared, and we have the like terms, 3t, negative 3t, and positive 4t. So we have different sign before these two like terms, so we have to copy the sign of a greater number. 4 is greater than 3, so we have positive sign, and now we just subtract 4 minus 3 is 1. T and negative 4 we have to copy, close parentheses, close brackets. This is equal. In the first brackets, we can combine the like terms. 3t squared, 6t squared, and we have 4t and negative 3t. So it will be the like terms. So the both are positive, so we keep positive sign. We don't have to write positive at the beginning, so we have to just add 3 plus 6 is 9t squared. And next we have 4 minus 3t. So this is 1t. 1 we don't have to write, so we have only t minus 2. We copy. And in the second bracket we have to copy 4t squared. And before parentheses we have negative sign. In means we have to change every sign in the parentheses to opposite. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So now will be negative 3t squared. Positive, so now will be negative 1t, so we can write only t. And negative 4, so will be positive 4 now. Close brackets. This is equal. And now we can combine the like terms in the second brackets. We have 4t squared and negative 3t squared. First brackets we will copy. And we will have 4t squared minus 3t squared. So 4 minus 3 is 1. We don't have to write 1, so we have only t squared minus t plus 4. Close brackets. So now we have to multiply every expression in the first brackets by every expression in the second brackets. So we have 9t squared. Instead of brackets, I can write now parentheses. So we have t squared minus t plus 4. And now we have t times this whole expression in the second bracket. Positive t we have to copy. And in parentheses will be t squared minus t plus 4. And now we have negative 2 times this whole expression in the second brackets. So now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. We have to multiply first parenthesis by 9t squared, second by t, and third by negative 2. So we have 9t squared times t squared. We don't have sign, it's always positive, so we have positive times negative will be negative. 9t squared times t. Positive times positive, so will be positive 9t squared times 4. And now we have positive and invisible positive we have, so t times t squared. Positive and negative give me negative. We have t times t. Positive and positive, so will be positive t times 4. And now we have to multiply every term in the third parenthesis by negative 2. So negative and invisible positive. We have negative times positive is negative. 2 times t squared. Negative times negative will be positive. 2 times t we have. And negative times positive will be negative. 2 times 4. So this is equal. Now we have to do multiplications. 9 we have to copy. We have t squared times t squared. So the base we copy and we add exponents. 2 plus 2 is 4. Next we have to copy 9 and we have t squared times t. So we copy base and we add exponents. Invisible 1 we have, so 2 plus 1, so this is 3. Plus 9 times 4 is 36 t squared. We copy. Invisible exponent 1, so the base is t. When we have multiplication, we copy the base and we add exponents. 1 plus 2 is 3. Negative sign, t times t is t squared. Plus t times 4 is 4. T always we write first number. Minus 2t squared plus 2t. 2 times 4 is 8. So now we have to combine the like terms. We have only one terms with t's to 4th power. So we copy 9t to 4th power. Let me cross this term we have. Now we have terms with t cube. So when we don't have coefficient, it's always invisible 1. Negative t cubed and positive 1. So we keep the same greater number, so we have negative sign. 9 minus 1 is 8t cubed. Next we have 36t squared, invisible 1, we have 1t squared, negative 2t squared. So first we have 36t squared and negative 1t squared and negative 2t squared. So we have negative 3t squared. So 36 minus 3 is 33. Positive 33, and t squared we have to copy. And we have 40 and 2t. So both terms are positive, so we have positive sign. 4 plus 2 is 6t, and at the end we have negative 8. This is my solution.